जोक मारो।
हमें बताना था कि हम कौन हैं।
जूस पिला दो फीनिक्स का। फीनिक्स कौन बोलेगा?
यार ये बहुत क्रिंज हो रहा है, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा।
नहीं,
ये बहुत क्रिंज हो रहा है। लाइट्स ऑफ हो गई हैं।
Yes, okay, we're back.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Hamna Munawwar, the president of the Very Hyper Studio.
Oh, and I am Shiza Khalid. Hi, Chad. I am Shiza Khalid, the DG of Hyper Studio.
And I'm the vice president of Hybro Studio, the coolest society that ever existed.
I am the secretary general of Hyper Studio. Studio.
Yeah, he's a secretary general of Hyper Studio. We don't know him. We don't know him. Okay, so thoda sa introduction of what studio actually does is, well, what do we do, Chad?
हम लोग सवाल पूछने लोगों से, we're like आपके
हम सवाल पूछते
Honestly,
लोगों
we just
से,
slay.
like
We
Chad,
just slay.
आप कौन हैं, आप क्या
लोगों से
हैं?
बात करते रहते हैं जो कि
आप
normal नहीं
मुझसे
होता।
सवाल पूछो।
जहाँ तक टूथपेस्ट में नमक है
मेरे टूथपेस्ट में टूथपेस्ट ही
वो आप लोग
Okay, so basically Studio Society was established, I think somewhere around 2019 in Hybro, like from the start of Hybro, ठीक है? And हम लोग का काम basically is everything related to the field of media, and this is a really good society, really good outlet for everyone that is interested in filming, videography, graphics, anything related to media. जो आए अपना like explore करें. You know, people who don't want to take media studies in A levels, threshold is not that high. So अगर आपको फिर भी credentials चाहिए,
Yeah, just come to Hyper
who
Studio.
you know who to
Yeah.
call.
Oh, and also for those that are really
That damn-
photogenic, you know.
Wait, say it again.
Okay. So
This damn lens.
that's how we roll in Hybro.
That's how we roll. Like that lens.
Still rolling. Anyway.
Okay, yeah. Also for those that are really photogenic, come to Hyper
Oh
Studio.
yeah. Modeling करनी है तो यहाँ पर.
Yeah, literally.
Yes, हम लोग इतना रिक्रूट करेंगे आप लोगों को कि आप लोगों के दिमाग खराब हो
That's
जाए.
only 500 per picture, though.
Yeah, no.
Now to go on a more marketing standpoint, Chad, why would you choose Hybro Studio? Zain, आप जरा ये explain करना चाहेंगे लोगों को, viewers को.
Yeah, so basically for me that Hybro Studio is a way where I can, unleash my creativity. And I have my mobile, I have my camera, I have my mic, I have my people. I can go around asking questions, I can make reels. I have that freedom to do whatever I want, and then if it gets approved, it's a milestone for me. It's like, oh yes, I got this approved. I own this thing.
Yeah. And what about for you? Why did you choose?
क्योंकि my photography skills were very good. I know how to do videography. So that's why I choose Hyper Studio, ताकि reels वगैरह जो हमारे पेज है inside Hybro का
सब लोग रील्स के लिए आते हैं यहाँ पर, हाँ?
Mostly reels के लिए
तफरीह
आते
है.
हैं और mostly
Want to get famous, really.
What about you? You want to get famous?
Yeah, well, I'm already famous, honestly. Let's not talk about that. But yeah, Hyper Studio was the most, interesting society last year when I was in my AS. So
Yeah.
that's why I choose Hyper Studio.
Arey, thank you.
Oh, she was a part of
Yeah,
it.
so last year I was a part of the Hybro Studio.
Studio.
Yeah, I was the
Studio.
secretary general, the studio of the event. Okay? So I did a lot of the events and I saw a lot of potential, which leads us to the next question, which was, what do you think? Well, by the way,
Yeah.
like cut short. Okay, so we asked a lot of the members and all of the phoenixes around for any questions that they wanted to ask us specifically. So उसमें से एक था कि what do you think some issues that Hyper Studio has and that should be tackled. So as I was saying, मैं last year थी studio की member, and I think कि studio is such a diverse and broad society which can really market Hybro as like a very immersive and very inclusive environment. It's the best like platform to market and to like showcase what Hybro actually has to offer. So like अभी भी जब मैं president बनी थी, all the other ECA members were like, हमना let's just collab with studio, like please, like I want to collab with your society, हम लोगों के लिए like reels बनाओ, हम के लिए ये करो, so that people know what Hybro is made of. So I think that the issue that I wanted to fix the most was inclusivity with Hyper Studio. So अभी अगर आप लोगों ने notice किया हो, which I know our members obviously did, we made a very inclusive group called the Editors Lounge. वहाँ पे आप लोग reels बनाओ, make friends, make reels.
Yeah.
I'm in different societies groups, and the Editors Lounge is the most active one. It's where everyone interacts with each other.
वहाँ लोग अपने ideas
Yeah.
आराम से share
Yeah,
करते हैं.
actually
and
interacts and come with me.
Even get private chats saying that I was not that confident when I joined the society, and now talking to other people I've become more confident in doing this
Yeah,
stuff.
see, so that is the
Yeah.
essence of studio. Like the whole filmmaking thing is to make you more confident in
Confident,
Whatever you
yourself.
get to know new people's
And what you-
knowledge.
Yeah, new people, and also to improve skills. Like right now, we are launching our podcast,
Awesome.
podcast. It's a tradition that has been in Hybro for like a long time. But
Yeah.
the bigger issue is that it was sort of boring,
Boring,
repetitive, and it usually gets
Throws out.
lost. So this year we decided to do something different. That's our motto. We do it different, right?
We're trying to spill some hot tea this year.
Yeah, we're gonna make it more, Gen Z core.
Gen Z core.
Gen Z core. Also, for more the inclusivity wala aspect, I have opened the forms, but only for our studio members. This is exclusive for us. वैसे और events आ रहे हैं, stay tuned for that. But for the podcast specifically, we have open forms. So if you wanna manage the studio, we have people in the background right now too. Abhi वैसे it's not officially open for everyone, but we still have people, our students from our members that are working right now in the behind the scenes. Say hi, cameraman. Yeah. So we have the podcast and we have other events. So the issues that we want to tackle was कि हम लोग very late in start करें, because if you start early, it slowly dies down.
Yeah.
And this year semester is also very short, right? So we're starting late, like fashionably late, as we always do in classic studio fashion. And so you're welcome to join us. Tune in.
Yeah. Okay, so Hamna, you mentioned events. Could you give a brief introduction to all the events? Not the details, we don't want to spoil that.
Yeah.
But what are we planning on?
Ooh, it's an interesting question. Chad, do you want to take over for that?
Yes, for sure. So we have 3 incoming events. First is our photo walk, and second is Character Day, which will be very interesting. Hollywood और Bollywood के characters बन के आने हैं.
It's coming soon. Look forward to it.
And third event जो है हमारा वो है Mysterious Module, जो कि मुझे भी नहीं पता.
इतना mysterious है कि हमने किसी को
Okay,
नहीं
and
बताया.
what are you the most excited about though?
Character Day.
Character Day, and what are you dressing up as?
It's a secret, mysterious of.
अरे obviously mystery.
we want to see everyone dressing up, looking really pretty.
Chad, I say that I personally am more excited for that photo walk. Location में बड़ी आला choose की है यार.
Yeah.
Last
You
year.
know,
It's amazing. It's gonna
What about you? What are you interested about in our events most?
It's the podcast, honestly.
Obviously the podcast,
But
the ongoing
events,
event.
Yeah, Character Day, obviously, because I'm going to be an animal. I'm
Oh.
gonna dress up as an animal.
oh,
Animal.
Animal.
Kind of an
Chad, I
You're
hear
just
furry.
gonna show up as yourself then.
Yeah. Okay. Friendly fire.
Friendly fire. This is gonna going into fire. Okay, so I'd
What about
say-
the ongoing events?
Oh yeah, ongoing event. Abhi, so obviously there are 2, which are very
First, we are doing this
the podcast,
Yeah,
the
obviously.
Arsenal.
Arsenal.
Yeah, so we're gonna have more people come here. अभी तो ये सब introduction है, आपको ये boring सा लगा होगा जो भी. We're trying to make it interesting, but we're gonna have our special guests, maybe some celebrities.
Hot tea. Look forward to
Tea will be
it.
spilled.
You know.
Tea will be spilled.
Yes.
Maybe
Special
not
guests,
that-
maybe
yeah.
celebrities, and let's have our old alumni.
Oh,
Yeah,
we can
we're
call
gonna
them
have
definitely.
alumni.
They're
Hey,
very
don't
popular
discuss
still.
the ideas right
Yeah,
now.
okay.
That's
Oh,
a
okay, no, no,
surprise.
that's
That's
a
mysterious.
That's a
That's
secret.
a
Let's not spill. It's
Yes,
Chelsea.
but we are organizing a whole team for this. ठीक है,
Yeah.
एक पूरा proper production team है हमारे पास. Very secretive, but it is there, and you are going to get the best quality podcast, and you better
Yeah.
watch it, okay?
Okay? Yeah. On a gunpoint. Watch it.
So a little history of what Hybrid Studio has done. What
You wanna go?
you guys were there
Okay.
last year.
Last
so-
Last day, Culture Day is, very, it happens every year. So, like, even last year, it was really fun. It was the day when we made, really, good friends. ठीक है?
So
we
a lot of
met a lot
selfies?
of people, and we took a lot of selfies.
took a lot of selfies,
Yeah.
lot of
we just
pictures.
met random people, and they were like, "Oh, let's take a picture." It was so fun. and all the people, they were looking really pretty. Some even dressed up as characters, you know, there's Qaid-e-Azam, theek hai, Mohammad Ali,
सब slay कर रहे थे.
Yeah, they were all slaying. They ate that.
Yeah, another past events, one of our traditions is the podcast, and
Yeah.
the other the photo walk, which you will be coming to you soon.
Photo
Forms
walk,
will be live soon.
I'm the most excited about that. You know,
Yeah.
it's a very
Who have we
Interesting
uploaded the
tips.
reel for Pinktober yet?
We have.
We
We
have.
have. Go watch
Yeah,
that.
go watch that.
Yeah.
Also,
Check out the page.
We had Irfan Junaid join our podcast last year, and we also did No Backpack Day, which
No backpack.
might be coming this year.
you know.
सब लोग volunteer लेकर आना.
Bro, the अभी से shopping cart बाहर कर
Yeah,
It's
people
fun.
are so inspired this year. Last year wasn't that, you know, a pumpy wala.
Yeah.
This year I
They said
want.
they like
It's
everyone.
us.
Everyone
It's
is
us,
asking.
Sarah-
Yeah.
We're gonna do this.
सारे तो लाएंगे और.
That do not bring the chair though. Okay.
Sorry.
Not the chair.
ये दुपट्टे में लाएंगे अपने.
दुपट्टा में लाएगा literally. वो भी उठाया नहीं
What
जाता
are
है
you
इससे.
planning on?
Sindhi topi.
Oh,
that's
books कैसे रखो हैं अपने इसमें?
यार books कौन लाता है
Books कौन
No
लाता है?
Backpack Day पर?
एक pouch.
We need chat. Do not miss your classes. Okay.
Yeah,
I
do
only need
not.
this pen.
Do not miss your classes like Ryan. Take all of them.
Yeah, don't miss your classes when.
Okay, so for my junior bears, I want to ask a question. When you opted for Hyper Studio, what like possessed you to do that? Honestly, like, what were your aims and why did you think
Yeah,
that
so-
this is the society for me?
For me, I have a background in this whole media kind of thing, and it was really exciting for me that okay, this college actually has that. And then I was like, Miss Sahar se maine interview diya, and then I messed things up in that. And then
Still
I,
got it.
Yeah.
And
We
then-
mess things up all the time.
Yeah.
And then I had to butter up Miss Sahar. I was like, Miss Sahar, like it was interview.
No,
later.
she's the sweetest. She always
the
listens to us.
sweetest.
Literally a mother figure.
Yeah.
Okay, so for me एक लिंक आई थी नॉर्मल तो आई वाज
Link आई थी
मुझे
novel.
पता नहीं था कि हाइब्रो स्टूडियो है क्या क्योंकि आई वाज न्यू इन हाइब्रो
Yeah.
तो जब मुझे पता चला मैंने इनसाइड हाइब्रो जो हमारा पेज है वो देखा तो आई वाज लाइक ओके ये मेरे टाइप का पेज है ज्वाइन करना चाहिए तो फिर आई अप्लाइड फिर मिस्टर को इंटरव्यू दिया था फिर I was part of Hyper Studio.
Your type is Hyper Studio.
Your time is Cyber Studio. Yeah.
Also, there's something we talk to members who had an iPhone just because we can.
Yeah.
So ये
That's
camera
true.
work है.
Camera and iPhones.
Yeah, that's what we do. Also, we want to give a huge shout out to our patrons.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the important part. To our wonderful patron,
Sarah.
Sarah
Sarah
Salan, the cameraman of Hybro. Sarah Salan, say hi.
Say hi.
He's just weird, okay?
Yeah.
He's a favorite. He's the
He's
one.
very concentrated,
Yeah, he's the one that
honestly.
helped us from the very beginning.
Literally.
Yeah, like
even from last year.
even from last year, he's
Yeah.
been working. वैसे Hybro के cameraman है, he's the
Literally,
yeah,
yeah.
he's the cameraman of Hybro.
On God.
Because cameraman never dies. Oh, wait, that's not like that. Yeah.
Sir, son is immortal.
Immortal.
And
yeah.
even for studio members, like some days ago, he was capturing my picture and I was shooting another, something else that was going on over here, and I was like,
He's
oh
the
my
one who
God.
captures the cameraman.
Yeah, he's the one that captures the cameraman.
Yeah.
So even if you're in Hybrid Studio and you think, oh, many pictures nahi khichengi, don't worry, we have Sarah.
Sarah Salan's got you.
Yeah.
He's the Batman of Hyper
Yeah.
Studio.
Yeah,
Oh,
the background
oh,
of Hybro. We annoy him a lot, okay? Like,
Yeah.
वैसे सर
We're sorry about
प्लीज
that.
वो भेजने ड्राइव भेजने पिक्चर्स की the first introduction जो हमने बनाया था post, that pictures you saw that were taken by the very Sarah Salan.
Yeah.
And the other patrons, I would like to thank our
Miss Sahar.
Miss
Miss
Sahar. She's obviously she made this team
She-
happen.
Literally.
Yeah, if it weren't for her, we wouldn't be here. And she's so chill about it. She like agrees to
अगर
everything.
उसमें और सुनाओ मैं कुछ सुनने का नहीं मिलता.
Yeah, हमें कुछ सुनने का नहीं मिलता. Also, she was like, reels बनानी है, बनाओ, पेज को भर दो.
She lets us do what we want,
That's
put
how
the
we-
creativity in Hybrid Studio.
That's how we got the Phoenix.
Yeah.
We're getting mugs. ये तो अभी Hybrid लिखा है. We're gonna get the Phoenix mugs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Custom Hybrid Studio mugs.
Okay. Mama Marine, we also wanna like give a shout out to Mama Marine.
Yeah.
If it weren't for her approval, we would not be
Honestly,
making such jokes right now.
There wouldn't even be a Hybrid Studio if not
Yeah.
for Miss Amin.
So yeah, big thank you to
Yes.
our patrons. Okay, next.
Okay, so what's
Next.
our location if some
Oh, okay, guys. So we come here every week. In the media
Every
room.
Monday to Thursday.
Every Monday to even Friday.
Yeah, even Friday.
Even Friday. Every Monday to Friday we come here in the media room ठीक है, so you guys should visit us and see us, you know, in live, you know, making this podcast.
Yes, and if you
It's
wanna
actually
be a part,
interesting, you know.
Yeah, and if you wanna be a part, join studio.
Mm-hmm.
I'm being
You
serious.
get to see our, you know, very
a very chill, very inclusive
behind the
environment.
scenes too.
Behind the scenes.
आपके पास भी
stuff.
लिंक
Do not judge
आएगा
though.
लिंक आपको
आपके
Do
पास
not
नहीं
judge
आएगा.
though, okay?
Yeah, we won't judge, but you might judge us.
We're also called the OCD Society.
Oh yeah, we all
the
like OCD.
OCD society. All of us perfectionists, and so if that's something you guys can't handle,
You saw me, you know, shifting the cup again. That's OCD.
yeah,
that's my OCD.
Yeah, we're perfectionists to the T kind of, but that's also kind of useful since we are kind of showcasing Hybro, right?
The perfect society.
Yeah, the perfect is,
Perfect
but we're basically tweaking in the background. Like,
Yeah, that's why you should be prepared for when you come to see the behind the scenes.
Chat, should this be it? for
Yeah,
the
we
intro?
should end this.
So,
Wait.
who are we?
Who are we? We just answered that. I think they
Hybro
knew.
Studio.
Yeah, we are. Wait, let's do it again. Who are we?
We are Hybro
We are Hybro
Studio.
Studio. We
They
were not
start
in
you.
sync.
Yeah,
Do it
start
again.
you. Start you.
1, 2, 3. We are Hybro Studio. Go Phoenixes.
Go for it. Xavier.
Bye.
Oops.